there you have it. More moose steak for breakfast. You guessed it. Steak and eggs and pancakes. Oh, whatever else I'll find. Pancake on a pancake. 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 Yep. Yeah. Here's the little one. Pancake. Okay, everybody. NDN Joe with you this morning. Yeah, I hope it's still morning. Maybe if you tune in later on, it's going to be afternoon. If not, if you tune in again, maybe later on today might be evening. So good morning. Anyways, good morning. We're going to have steak and eggs, some veggies with our breakfast here. And a pancake. How's that sound? I think that's going to sound awesome. So, we're going to get this on the stove here pretty soon here. So, have a good morning. Okay, we're going to put in our veggies first. Get them all fried up here. Okay, look at that. Just right for breakfast, everybody. Just lay that on top of the veggies here. And you can hear my little buddy in the background waiting for breakfast to be served. So we're going to just cook those three for now. We're going to save these for later on today for lunch. And yeah. So steaks cooking with the veggies. Yeah. And now I'm going to get the eggs on. Okay. We got some scrambled eggs getting ready to put on the stove over there. And as you can see, it's cooking really good. Gonna add some pepper. Hey, look at that, eh? Add some pepper to that. For some reason it's not working. Uh-oh. I'll have to figure this out. Okay. I figured it out. Anyways. It's on there. After my song. My NDN Joe song. I just made it up, so don't ask me what it means or what it, you know. It's just a made-up song, so there's no significance behind that song. But anyways, they're making my other song here. Cocoa breakfast. Oh, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. Cocoa breakfast, so cook. Cocoa breakfast, so cook. Oh yeah. Woo. It's still not cooked, eh? Oh well. We'll just have to watch it, I guess. Okay. Here we go. Scrambled eggs. It is. I did have the crazy idea of making omelets with my moose meat, but not this morning. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to cook scrambled eggs. And it doesn't take long at all. There we go. Scrambled eggs are done. Now, just waiting on the meat to cook. Be right back. Okay, everybody, here we are again with Indian Joe with the finished breakfast here for you all. Well, it's going to be for me anyways. But here you go. Yep, that's Indian Joe's big breakfast. And that's it for me. A glass of orange juice for my drink. So hope you guys all enjoyed this. And we'll be singing a song while I eat too, eh? Better not do that, I might choke. But anyways, good morning to you all. And have another good morning to you, everybody out there in YouTube land. So, yeah, like my little buddy said, YouTube. Yo, yo, hey, yo, yeah, and stuff. Here we go, I'm going to eat.